Hey yo, what's going on everybody? My name is Dylan, you guys are chilling with Dylan, and today we're going to talk about the recap for the Nike Kobe 6 Reverse Grinch. This is going to be a quick recap video for you guys today. Please let me know down in the comments if you copped on the shock drop. And guys, that's right, if you can see the image up on the screen right here, your boy was actually able to cop from the shock drop, which is absolutely insane. Because guys, this was a very limited and pretty exclusive shock drop. Now, there was not that many pairs to go around. There was apparently rumored to be about 40,000 pairs. If I can get a screenshot of the stock numbers, I'm going to throw that up on the screen. But I went with my true to size, so I went with the size 12. And there was about 3,500 pairs or so for the size 12. And, you know, it was a 10-minute draw. So once 2 o'clock hit, I know that it was rumored originally for 11:24 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, they went ahead and changed that shock drop time to 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Around like 1:50 or so, they actually had posted over on Nike sneakers app. They did post that the shock drop was going to be happening. So they gave you guys plenty of notice to try to get yourself entered in for the draw. Now, this was a 10-minute draw, so you did have 10 minutes to enter. I entered right away as soon as it opened up. So I don't know if that helped my odds or you know what I mean? Like, everybody wants to talk about the sneakers app and give you insight on how to cop and get more dubs and stuff like that. Guys, it's completely random. Now, maybe there's an algorithm as far as, you know, the Nike backend and what they can see. But for the layman, it seems pretty random to me. I mean, I don't have any better chances entering in early as I do entering in about 5 minutes into the draw, as opposed to entering in you know, at 2:09, a minute before the draw ends. So I really honestly don't think that there's any rhyme or reason to it. So I entered right away, and I actually secured my W, guys. So I got the size 12 coming in. As soon as that comes in the mail, I will be doing a full unboxing and review for you guys. So staying tuned to the channel, smash the like button if you did enjoy. If you are new around here, also hit the subscribe button, and please turn the post notification bell on so you don't miss another one of these videos. And you also want to turn that post notification bell on so you don't miss any news, upcoming drops and stuff like that, because I try to keep you guys in the loop on what is all going down in the sneaker community. So like I said, guys, this was a pretty limited release. Now, the official release is going to be happening on December 15th. So you guys are at least going to have one more opportunity on the official launch. It is December 15th. Right here, they did post it over on the sneakers app. As soon as the shock drop was over with, they did post the official release date. It's going to be December 15th. So you guys are going to have at least one more chance to cop these things for retail, because these resale prices, they are currently skyrocketing. Now, in my size 12, they are currently sitting at around $700. Other sizes vary. Some are like in the $500 price point. I have seen other price points as high as $1,200 for these things, guys. So, like I said, pretty limited stock on this shock drop, and I think that's what's making these prices raise a little bit more. And also, guys, there may also be exclusive access for this pair as well going out. I don't know if that is confirmed yet, but usually with all of these high heat releases, they tend to also do an exclusive access. Now, there was originally rumored to be about 400,000 pairs going to be releasing on this shock drop, and obviously when it came down to it, it was very, very limited compared to that 400,000 stock that was originally rumored. Was dwindled all the way down to 40,000 pairs, guys. So in each size range, it was pretty limited to get your hands on. And I'm just so hyped up that I was actually able to cop for retail. So like I said, guys, I was able to cop. As soon as I get these things in the mail, I'm going to be doing an official review and unboxing for you guys on the channel. So make sure you guys are stay tuned for future content. And with all that being said, guys, my name is Dylan. You guys just chill with Dylan, and I'm out. Peace.